Today I'm going to show you how to make $283 a day with these 5 simple side hustles. No cap, just real strategies that work in 2025. And if you watch this video all the way to the end, I will show you a method that I used myself that I have made $100. First, freelancing. If you have a skill in writing, graphic design, video editing, or even voiceover, freelancing is one of the easiest ways to make over $283 in a day. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you to the right client worldwide. Here are ways to get started. 1. Pick a high demand skill. It could be graphic design, copywriting, or AI automation. 2. Create an optimized profile showcasing your skills and experience. 3. Start with competitive pricing to get your first few clients. Then you can begin to increase your price rate from that point. 4. Deliver high quality work and get 5-star reviews to boost your rankings. This will help your profile to be seen by a lot more eyes. Once you get a steady stream of clients, making $283 a day is completely achievable. Second, print on demand business. If you have ever wanted to make money selling t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases without holding inventory, this is exactly what print on demand POD is talking about. This is what POD is all about. Now, here is how you can get started. 1. Create designs using Canva or Photoshop. 2. Upload them to POD platforms like Printful, Redbubble, or Teespring. 3. Marketing your product on TikTok, Pinterest, and Instagram can help you sell faster. 4. Earn passive income every time someone buys your design. With the right marketing strategies, and if you implement all the steps that I have given to you, you will easily hit $283 daily without touching a single product. Thirdly, affiliate marketing. This is similar to the previous points, but then it is slightly different. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make passive income daily. Affiliate marketing is when you promote products and earn a commission on every sale that you make. These products are usually not your personal product. They are not products that you have created. They are usually someone else's product. Now, here is a simple process to get started. 1. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Digistore24. The beautiful thing is joining any of these platforms is absolutely free. 2. Find trending products with high commission, and one of the easiest ways to find trending products is to go to TikTok and search for whatever product that you are looking for, and always search in the niche that you are interested in, and then begin to go through all of that search. You will definitely find a product that is trending and a product that is hot. This leads me to number 3. Promote them on YouTube or on the same TikTok or on your blog, if at all you have a blog. 4. You're going to get paid every time someone buys through your referral link. And much more importantly, if you can create helpful content that solves people's problem, people will buy from your links. You will be making passive income daily. No cap. Fourthly, YouTube automation. Did you know you can make $283 plus a day on YouTube without even showing your face? It is called YouTube automation. Now, this is a very simple way on how to start YouTube automation. It is so good, too good to be true. 1. Pick a profitable niche like finance, motivation, tech reviews, or how-to videos. 2. Find copyright free videos and images. Use websites like Pixels, Pixabay, or Stock Footage. I will try to leave a link to this website in the description of this video below. Now 3, use AI voiceovers like 11 Labs or CapCut or Speechify. If you're using an app that is paid, that you need a paid version to do the voiceover, just put in your text there, let the app record it, use a screen recorder, record it, and then turn it into an audio, and you will automatically have your voiceover without having to pay for the application. 4, edit your video using free video editing softwares like CapCut or Premiere Pro. And 5 will be monetize with YouTube AdSense, sponsorship, and affiliate marketing. This method is scalable and can easily generate over $283 per day with the right content strategy. Just follow everything that I've told you and you will be smiling on your way to the bank. And 5th is reselling and flipping. With this method, you can turn $10 into $1,000 easily. This is very, very easy. I have people around me who are actively, seriously doing it, and they are cashing out big time. You see, flipping is simply reselling. You can buy low-cost items and resell them for profit. Now, this is a simple process on how to get started. You can leverage thrift store finds or hand-to-hand purchases or declutter pages on Instagram. There you will find things like sneakers, electronics, vintage clothing for cheap. Buy them and resell. 2, get used books or textbooks, then sell them on Amazon or eBay. 3, you can do this, trust me. And 3 is clearance items from Walmart or Target. And 4 is purchase wholesale bulk products from Alibaba or from China and resell them locally within your community. Buying from China has become a trend right now. You can check on YouTube for videos on how to buy from China cheaply and ship to wherever that you are in the world. This is one of the fastest ways to make cash if you hustle smart and go for the hot product that people are in need of. Remember, I said if you watch this video to the end, I will show you an easy strategy that I have used to make $100. I was talking about content creation. I have been a creator on the YouTube platform or on the YouTube space for like 7 years, and I have 3 successful YouTube channels. So content creation is a great side hustle because it allows you to earn money while sharing your knowledge, skills, or creativity online. And see, platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and blogging offer multiple monetization opportunities such as ad revenue, sponsorship, affiliate marketing, and digital product sales. To succeed, focus on profitable niches, create valuable and engaging content consistently. I cannot overemphasize that word, consistently, and optimize for SEO. This will help your videos to be seen, right? It will help your videos to be seen by a lot of audience, and it will help your audience growth. While it takes time to build an audience, content creation can eventually become a full-time income source if you do the strategies that I have told you in this video.